Right, hello, welcome back. Last year I just parked the mower up, ran out of petrol, so I left it. So I'm going to give it a try, see if it'll start, and we'll get it started. Oh, lovely. Check the oil, it's got oil in it. There's nothing in there, it's nice. Like I say, it ran out last year and I just left it on the grass. It's rusty as hell underneath. Nobody's done a lot of favours, to be honest. Partly I'm just using another what I had laying around, so it's basically been under a hedge. They bought a petrol can. Never leave your cans open. Truck sucking moisture straight away. Right, let's give it a go. Can't feel nothing priming there yet. I feel no pressure there, a little bit of pressure there now. Not a lot. Oh no, we don't want a dark frame video, do we? I think it's priming up, to be honest. Yeah, I think it's priming up. Priming up. Right, I'm just going to put some coal cleaner down the coal. This diaphragm's fully stuck. Sometimes they free up and then you get going. Oh, the boiler's lit up as well, so you can probably hear that. Shouldn't do as much as that really. Put a filter back on, it just helps it drag in a little bit easier, so as long as it doesn't backfire, that's it like today everywhere. See if that'll prime now. Yeah, it's priming now. So you don't always need to strip them down straight away because you can do a diaphragm, it's just sometimes they stick. So unlike all these other mower channels, try to explain to you, you don't always have to strip a diaphragm down to start a mower or clean a carb. So here where it started, we'll leave it a few seconds. I'll try it without priming it. Should we gamble it? See how good it is. There you go. So like I say, sometimes the diaphragms just get a little bit stuck and they just need a little bit of encouragement. So I hope that helps you out if you're trying to start one. And like I say, you don't always have to strip them down and put diaphragms in them. Like I say, it's been standing since middle of last summer, so, and it's March now. So there you go. If you like this sort of thing, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, ring the bell, all the usual sort of stuff. I'll see you next time. Take it easy.